Join me today as we make some homemade butter with only one ingredient. Let's go! We are going to make butter today using only one ingredient. This is very simple and fun. Your whole family will enjoy the wholesome flavor of your own butter you made. The one ingredient we are using is heavy whipping cream. You may use any brand. We are using 1 pint or 16 ounces. We will be using a medium-sized food processor. You may also use a sturdy mixer if you choose. Pour all of the contents of the 1 pint container of whipping cream into the food processor. Put your lid on the food processor and lock it in place. Then turn the processor on high. You can see the liquid is very runny and smooth, but this consistency will change soon. It will begin to thicken and chunk up. You may salt your butter if you so choose. Just add your desired amount, or simply go unsalted. You will begin to see the whipping cream thicken, almost an ice cream consistency, but not done yet. As you can see, it is getting more thicker by the moment, but still not done yet. We are looking for it to begin to crumble and stick together. Not long now. The food processor is having more of a difficult time churning it, and the heavy whipping cream is beginning to slightly pulsate. This is a great sign. Now it is beginning to crumble. You can see it here. It separates from the milk fat and becomes butter. Let it continue until you see a large separation from butter and the milk fat. You can also see as the butter and milk fat split from one another, the mixture moves more easily. Soon, the butter will clump and become thick. Now that the milk fat and butter have separated, you can open the food processor. You can see how it's clumpy with surrounding liquid. Drain the liquid into a container. This is buttermilk. You can use this liquid in other recipes such as cake, for example. It will store up to a week in the refrigerator. Once you've drained the buttermilk, pour about 1 cup of water in the bowl and begin pushing down on the butter, extracting extra buttermilk from it. Drain the water from the bowl and add new water until the water becomes clear. You will do this several times. After the last draining, you will need to apply pressure to release any extra water from your butter. Drain and repeat a few times until no more water is visible. We made butter. You can now put it in a container, or you can place it in plastic wrap. I have found heavy whipping cream on sale and made several batches of butter. I like to wrap them in plastic wrap and then in wax paper. It keeps it fresh and prevents freezer burn. You can also freeze your butter if you would like. You can even make your butter fancy by forming them in silicone molds. Just choose your shapes like flowers, animals, or whatever you would like and place it in the refrigerator to set up. Then remove and place in a container to serve. All done! And so easy! Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.